The East Rail Line, as the successor of the Kowloon-Canton Railway, has a long and rich history behind it. The line is continuously evolving, and the latest change to the line are the new R-Stock trains that are now running on the East Rail Line. The new R-Stock trains are a batch of 43 9-car trains built by Hyundai Rotem of South Korea. They were bought by the MTR Corporation for around 4 billion Hong Kong dollars to replace the existing 12-car Metro-Cammell EMU rolling stock of the East Rail Line, which have been in operation since the 1980s and are nearing the end of their 40-year lifespan. They were first put in service when the Kowloon-Canton Railway was first double-tracked and electrified in preparation for its transition to a suburban commuter railway. They are being replaced as part of the Sha Tin to Central Link, which will extend the East Rail Line across the harbour to Exhibition and Admiralty stations to form the MTR's 4th harbour crossing. Because of the restrictive nature of the construction in Admiralty Station, the platform can only accommodate a maximum train length of 9 cars, 3 cars shorter than the current 12-car trains in operation. During the transition phase to R-Stock trains, both 9-car and 12-car trains will be in operation on the East Rail Line. To help passengers adjust to the change, large color-coded signs have been put up on platforms, along with new software for the information display systems, which will now display the train lengths for upcoming trains. The new trains are equipped with many new features. Let's compare the old trains with the new trains. The R train has a body which is 12 centimeters wider, reducing the gap between the platform and the train. This also helps increase passenger capacity by 4%. Here's how the old seats look. And these are the new seats. The new ones are better separated and have 5 seats rather than just 4 on the older model. Furthermore, the unique horizontal seats at the end of the old train's carriages have been completely removed from the new stock. The gangway between cars has been significantly widened, a welcome improvement. The new stock also has multi-purpose spaces for wheelchair users, another welcome improvement. The old model's route information display was simply a sticker of the line, which was the only metro line left in Hong Kong to still use it. The new R trains have dynamic information display systems using screens, similar to the new trains on the West Rail and Tuen Ma lines. The R trains will still use television screens for in-train TV like the old ones. The color schemes are vastly different on the interior and exterior. The interior has lost the East Rail Line's signature blue and red color scheme for a more minimalistic, clean, and modern look. The exterior has also ditched the colors of the Kowloon-Canton Railway Corporation, replacing them with a shade of grey instead. The handrails have been swapped for these ones instead, which are more flexible. The first-class cabin has also been refreshed, with a change of seats, making future journeys more comfortable. The new R trains run on a new signaling system known as the TrainGuard NT-CBTC, developed by Siemens. Its train system uses communication-based train control technology, or CBTC, to allow trains to operate fully automated. This helps reduce distances between trains, thereby increasing train frequencies and passenger capacity. The new trains that have arrived have gone through rigorous and comprehensive testing. Since December 2015, the MTR has arranged for new trains to be tested on the East Rail Line during non-serviced hours. This includes weight testing, where water is used to simulate a train load of 3,000 people. Parking accuracy, door systems, and broadcasting systems are also tested. Each new train will have to travel more than 600 kilometers to ensure it is safe and reliable before it can be put into service. The MTR has tried to run the new trains on the line on 4 occasions now, but errors kept occurring which kept pushing the launch dates further and further ahead. The original expectation was May of 2020, but this was postponed to July 2020, and then again postponed to September 2020. On the day that the new trains were meant to come into service, the MTR announced that the trains would not be put into service until February 2021. And here we are, with the first R train rolling out of the Sha Tin depot on the 6th of February 2021. As great as these new changes are, the old trains will be dearly missed, as they are the last of their kind, heralding to bygone days without television screens or information display systems. With their rattling gangways and colorful interiors, the old trains will always be memorable and nostalgic despite their shortcomings. Who knows, maybe in a few years, these trains will be on show in the Railway Museum too, next to their ancestors.